Here is a review for DreamFlow AI. So as you can see, DreamFlow AI is very easy to use. So just like the other AI, you can fast way to build any prompts that you're going to put. There is a try surface editing, and also you can go ahead and start building application. As you can see, just like other AI, there is a dashboard. You can also organize your test over here if you want to. Also, it is only accessible if you're using an iPad or laptop. So larger screen is required. It is not going to work if you're just going to use a phone. So now, is it good for those students who are actually needed to start a build application? As you can see, it is fastest way to build and it is very AI powered. However, it also limits some things because you need to be coded or you need to know how to do codes and things so that you can build the application that you needed. It is also built for Flutter screens.